Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace key battery Ford F150 Easy Guide. Begin by sliding out the emergency key and separating the two halves of the fob with a small flat screwdriver. Carefully lift the old CR2032 battery straight out, noting its orientation. Clean contacts gently with a soft cloth and insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the fob back together and test the buttons and remote start to confirm operation. When you open the fob, keep parts organized so reassembly is simple and quick. Use gentle, even pressure to avoid damaging clips or the internal antenna. If contacts look corroded, clean them with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, then dry fully before inserting the new battery. Reinsert the emergency key and test door lock, unlock, and remote start functions to ensure everything responds correctly and consistently. If replacing the battery doesn't fix the issue, don't panic. Many problems are simple to diagnose. Swap in another known good CR2032 to eliminate a defective cell and confirm the metal contacts are tight and clean. Inspect the circuit board for damage or lifted traces, which may need professional repair. For intermittent signal problems, or if the remote requires reprogramming, a dealer or locksmith can help with module checks and pairing procedures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.